Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goring Guitar, Ali Gatie. He has been with us many times before, I believe, almost like 30 times on Goring Guitar. He's the most favorite alligator here. This is Habitat on Goring Guitar. Let's go into this song, and it's called I Don't Know. So, Cape on 7th, that is the best scenario for us. We're gonna have easiest chords, and this melody will roll very, very easy. So, Cape on 7th, let's go with the chords. So, C major 7, that is 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord we're going to use is the G chord, G6, to be more specific about it. It's the 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Next is a plain D chord, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord will be E minor. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so let's go into the melody now. We're gonna look into that first and then the strumming. So let's start from the beginning with C major 7. It goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with 3rd A, and then comes the open E. And I go with the open E, and then right after I hit the clap there. If you listen to the song, these two actions actually happen in the same time. So either you're gonna go with the clap or notes if you want to be exact about it. But I play it like after the notes, okay? Because I want to fit in both. So I play this. So right after comes the clap. So open E string, then the clap. Then comes the open B, then 3rd B, then clap, and open B. Okay? And you're gonna see this melody goes almost in the same way for all these chords. We have just the last note that differs, okay? Next chord will be the G part. Now I have a different bass note, of course, now on the 3rd fret E string. And you're gonna play again the open E, and then the clap, and then open B, then 3rd B, then clap, and now the last note will be the 2nd fret G string. Then you play the D part. Now I have the bass note on the open D string, then the open high E, and clap, open B, 3rd B, clap, and the last note will be open B. In the same way as the C major parts. And then we have the final chord, the E minor, and it's played in the same way as the G6 with this 2nd fret G string as this last note. So it goes. And there you have the melody. So one round goes like this. Now into the strumming. Okay, so you're gonna start again with the C major, and one string round goes like this. Okay, so we're gonna start with 2 downs first. Then comes up, up, down, and then down, down, up. So if you put that together, it will be down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. You're gonna play one of these string rounds per chord. Same chord progression through the entire song, and that will sound. And you can go by feel, take off a little bit like I just did, and play it in your own way. You have the notes as well, so you can try to fit them into the strumming. And that is how I handle AliGatie's I Don't Know. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Until next time, play tuned.